Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP to your wallet in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies like Ripple's XRP, you know how crucial it is to securely move your assets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring XRP in no time. First off, let's quickly cover what XRP is. It's a fast, low-cost digital currency designed for cross-border payments, and by 2025, with advancements in blockchain tech, handling it will be even smoother. Before we dive in, make sure you have a compatible wallet set up. Popular options include hardware wallets like Ledger or software ones like Trust Wallet, which support XRP. If you don't have one, download and create an account now. It's free and secure. Step 1. Log into your wallet and generate your XRP address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, head over to the exchange or platform where your XRP is currently held, like Coinbase or Binance. Log in securely. Always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdraw or Send section. Select XRP as the currency, then paste your wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer and check for any network fees, which in 2025 might be even lower due to improved scalability. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees before hitting confirm. Once you do, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP ledger. In 2025, with faster block times, you should see your XRP in your wallet within minutes. Finally, verify the transfer in your wallet's transaction history to ensure it's complete. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your wallet. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable multi-factor auth, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.